Haia, Ceryl o Byw'n Iach Arfon efo cyngor yr wythnos i chi. Hi, it's Ceryl with the tip of the week. Cyngor wythnos yma di paratoi eich bwyd. Your tip for this week is to prepare your meal. Fel enghraifft, for example, os da chi yn un o hi sy'n gweithio drwy dydd ac yn licio mynd i'r gym syth ar ôl gwaith, o gwmpas amser te. So for example, if you're one of these people that work all day and you like going to the gym straight after work around tea time, mae'n bwysig wedyn ar ôl y workout bod ni yn bwydo'r corffs o fewn hanner awr orffan the workout. Okay, it's important that within half an hour finishing your workout that you refuel your body. Felly, os da chi wedi prepario'r bwyd yn barod, so if you've prepared your food already, munud da chi'n cyrraedd adra ar ôl bod yn y gym, once you get home after being in the gym, after your workout, mae'r bwyd yna'n barod i chi. Neu beth da chi'n gorfod wneud, os yw'n bwyd poeth ydy cnesu fo, neu os yw'n bwyd oer, byddwch chi fita fo'n syth o fridge. So if you've prepared your meals already, once you get home from the gym, it's there ready for you. All you need to do is heat it up, depending on the food you've prepared, or if it's cold food, you can eat it straight from the fridge. And then you refueled your body straight after your workout. Da chi wedi fuelio'r corff yn ôl wedyn syth ar ôl eich workout o fewn hanner awr. Yeah, you've refueled your body within half an hour of the workout. Iawn. Neud pethau lot haws. Makes things much easier. Felly, cyngor chi wsos yma. Your tip for this week. Prepario'ch bwyd. Prepare your meal. So bod o'n barod i chi syth ar ôl eich workout. So it's ready for you straight after your workout.